Hey there, gamer! You've spent countless hours harpening your skills in your favorite games. Feels amazing, doesn't it? Now, imagine this. Earning real money while doing what you love most? Gaming. Sounds like a cheat code, right? But nope, it's legit, simple, and ready for you to level up. Here's how you can turn your passion into profit. Stream your gameplay, build a fan base, entertain the masses, and watch your earnings grow with every viewer. Play to earn games. Dive into games where your skill, and some luck, translates into cold, hard cash. Sell in-game items or accounts. Participate in games with a robust marketplace. Farm rare items or grind accounts for resale. The easiest option? Make your devices work for you with Honeygain. What's Honeygain? It's a simple app that lets you earn passive income while you spend time on things you really love. Just install it, let it run in the background, and start making money. Keep gaming, start earning. Whether you're dominating leaderboards on shooters, exploring fantastic worlds, or just vibing with some cozy comfort games, it's time to convert your gaming time into real cash. Join Honeygain now, claim your welcome gift, and start earning money effortlessly. Because why settle for just XP when you can rack up some extra cash too?